सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् ॐ. We have completed the 10th chapter, where Ashtavakra brings the thought of what is the reason for dukkham, the cause for sorrow. He reveals in the 10th chapter. The cause is Trishna. Trishna means craving or binding desires, obsessed with desires. When the mind is obsessed, overpowered by kama, and it leads to Trishna, that is called obsession. That is the cause for sorrow, human sorrow. So you have to drop that Trishna. Trishna tyagaha eva mokshaha. Trishna tyagaha eva mokshaha. Renouncing that desire upon what? Upon all anatma vastuni. Every object that which comes under anatma. Other than Brahman, every object is anatma only. Anatma means which is not atma. Atma alone is free from all these doshas, atrupti, dukkha and bandha. Every object binds the person. It curtails our freedom. First object comes with a smiling face. Any person or object, when they are coming, we smile. Object coming with smiling face means what? Any new object or gadget, when it is coming towards us, when we are buying, when they are coming close to us, we are all smiling. After some time we will become slaves to that object or person. Once we become slaves to that object, we are no more using the object, that object is using us. We are no more using the object, but the object or person controlling, using our freedom. That means what? That object takes away our freedom. How the object takes away our freedom? It takes away your peace. How that object or person takes away your peace? You will always worry about the person or object. In that way it takes away your freedom, peace. Does that object has got intrinsic power of taking away the peace from you? No. Ashtavakra says, no object by itself or no person by himself or herself can never take your peace at all. This is a very important thing we have to note. No object in the world, whatever we are using, no person in the world, any relation, either son or daughter, any family member will never take away your peace. What Vedanta says, your trishna towards those objects, towards those people, towards those relations, internally you have some sort of attachment towards them. That attachment creates trishna in you, obsession, and that attachment alone cause what? Destruction of peace. That obsession make your peace into pieces. This is the declaration of Vedanta. So problem is you, solution is you means what? Problem is not in the object what you are using. Problem is not in the person with whom you are related. Problem is with your mind. Why this problem in the mind? Because of ignorance. Ajnanam. Atma Ajnanam. Self-ignorance is the cause for this sorrow, which sorrow is because of Trishna, which Trishna is because of giving reality to Anatma. Giving reality to Anatma alone is the cause for Trishna. Trishna is because of Ajnana. Ajnana is the cause for Ashanti. எப்படியாவது போட்டுக்கலாம், அங்கே போனாலும் இங்கே போனாலும் என்ன, வாட் கம்ஸ் அவுட், அவுட்புட் இஸ் வாட் துக்கம். ஸோ அஷ்டாவக்ரா learn to look at anatma as anatma. That is called objectivity. Develop objectivity. Towards anatma, it is object only. Our Trishna, our Ashanti is because of what? Because of you are, instead of seeing that object Anatma as Anatma, you identify with that object and make it subjective. That is called subjectivity. Ahankara, mamakara. Trishna Tyagaha means what? Nirmamatvam. Never claim this is mine. As a trustee, you are the trustee. You are the contributor. You are not the consumer. See. We want to be like consumers. Subjectivity. What do you mean by subjectivity? Aham mama. What about this aham? Aham is that I am this body. I am emotional. My mind and body association is so very thick. Deha abhimana, mana abhimana, and that deha abhimana, mana abhimana leads to mama. Aham tesham te mama. I belong to them, they belong to me. This house belongs to me, house is belong to me. I am the house owner. I belong to all these family members, they belong to me. This type of thinking all the time is called subjectivity. With whom you are relating, with what objects you are relating, they are all only matter. Nama, Rupa, Mithya, Prapancha. Not knowing that this is a matter, we are thinking it is real. Developing subjectivity, developing Trishna. Because of Trishna, lot of disappointments. And that disappointments, lot of worry, kavalai. At the same time, you have to note another point. Jnani, one who knows this Atma Anatma Viveka, having understood this truth, he is free from Trishna, is having or she is having lot of Vairagyam. Still, as long as the Jnani is in the body, one has to confront the prarabdha. Sukha, dukkha experiences, pleasure and pain experiences, favorable and unfavorable experiences. In spite of that knowledge, his or her body has to undergo, or that body has to confront what? Pair of opposites. Jnani is not an exception, okay? Jnani, exception in the sense only Jnana Drishtya. But his body or mind has to undergo. If it is too chill, avariki cold varum, cough varum. Suddenly anything he or she lose, ayyo ani varum. But that will not go inside and sit and create a lot of disturbance irukadu. There is no disturbance inside. But those situations he or she has to face. So remember this. After knowledge also, prarabdha is there. But jnana, shock absorber he is wearing. That will not shock Arda. Okay? That will not, he will not or she will not get shocked. What is that preventing from that shock of these worldly pleasures or pains or anything? That only jnanam. I am Atma Swarupam. This is Jada Prapancha. I am enlivening the inert matter. Now in this 11th chapter, Ashtavakra is going to say Nischayi. Nischayi means Nichayaha asya asti iti nischayi. A person who is having the definite knowledge, no doubt at all, doubtless knowledge. That person is known as Nischayi. Nischaya tambulam. Nischaya tambulam means confirmed and artha. Nischaya tambulam. Adahana per Nischaya tambulam. Fixed an artha. This jnani is fixed in his Brahma Swarupam or her Brahma Swarupam. That Nischayi alone, all these 8 slokas. Now Ashtavakra is talking about that Nischayi. A person, now he is giving the tips. What are those tips? Tips to develop vairagyam towards anatma. How a jnani, nischayi, conducts himself while interacting with the world. So those are the tips here to develop vairagyam towards anatma. People think when a sannyasi or a teacher talks about vairagyam, that alone is only for sannyasis, not for us, they think. Family householders thinks. Vairagyam na namakku illappa, avangalukku da. Only sannyasis. Ashtavakra is talking to whom? Grihastha, Mahagrihastha. Therefore, remember, vairagyam is necessary for all people. Grihastha needs or desire moksha or not. Grihastha also is interested in mukti, shanti or not. Adi venu. Vairagyam venda. Ashtavakra says, Nadakada karyamapa. Vairagya means here, use anatma. Use anatma, body, mind, objects, but never have that satyatva bhavana. Never give reality, satyatva bhavana. I give reality to my son body, daughter body as they are real. Life. I have to pay price. And their problems, what all comes, I take it as real. and my body is real, mother role is real, son role is real, daughter role is real, then problems, problems, problems. That's why, what is the fertile land, you know? India is the fertile land, they say. That is true. Much more fertile land for imagination is mind. Imagination நல்ல வளரணும்னா எங்க இடம் தெரியுமோ? Speculation, imagination, our own mind. இதை விட fertile land உலகத்தில் எங்குமே கிடையாது. This fertile land gives any grains, நன்னும் கிடையாது. Full of problems, imaginations, speculations, தேவையில்லாததெல்லாம் நடக்கும் இங்கதான். திங்க் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கும். Therefore you see that really what it has to think, if you scrutinize, ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை திங்க் பண்றதுக்கு. அப்படியே உட்காரலாம் நிம்மதியா. மனசுக்கு வேலையே இல்லை. ஏன்னா எல்லாம் அனாத்மா, எல்லாம் மித்யா, எதை பற்றி திங்க் பண்ணணும்? அப்போ ஆஹா நிம்மதியாக இருக்கும், நிதானமாக இருக்கும். That is called ஞானி மைண்ட். மானச சரோவரம். மானச சரோவரம் எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஞானி மனசு மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஞானி மனசு எப்படி இருக்கும்? பிரசாந்தமாக இருக்கும். பிரசாந்த மனசம் ஹேனம் யோகினம் சுகமுத்தமம் உபைதி சாந்த ரஜசம் பிரம்மபூதமகல்மஷம். பியூட்டிஃபுல் ஸ்லோகா, Bhagavad Gita. So now Ashtavakra is entering. What are all the tips you have to learn? Understand. This is called as Jnanashtakam. 8 slokas. Jnanashtakam. Now we'll read the sloka. Number 1. Page 71. Bhava bhava vikarascha स्वभावादिति निश्चयी निर्विकारो गतः क्लेशः सुखेनैवोपशाम्यति. Jnanam alone is the solution. Atma Jnanam. I am the consciousness existent principle. Whether you know it or not, this is the fact. Shastra says you are none other than Sat Chit Chaitanyam. Sat means Brahman, Brahma Chaitanyam you are. You have mistaken yourself as Abrahma. Being a consciousness, sentient principle, I am existent principle, Brahma Chaitanyam. I have mistook myself as so and so person. Ashtavakra says you have to understand that what you are taking as yourself is nothing but bhava abhava vikaraha. Bhava abhava vikaraha. That means sthula sukshma rupa karyam ityartha. Bhava bhava vikaraha. Bhava means existence, small e. Small e. Now body is here, appearing. Avan irukka, ivan irukka. In the body, what you are looking at, the body comes into existence and goes. Existence and destruction. Body's existence and body's destruction. Body's existence is called bhava. Body's destruction is called abhava. Presence and absence. In other words, if you say bhava means presence, presence of a product. Abhava means absence of a product. Every product, including your sthula deha, sukshma sharira, sukshma deha, both of them, including all of them, they are all vikaraha. Vikaraha means they are all products of Maya, modifications of Maya. Products of Maya or modifications of Maya. Because of Maya's modification, they are emerging out. Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, they are born out of by the modification of Maya. Maya alone appears as Akasha, Maya alone appears as Vayu, Agni, Apaha, Prithvi and Shariram. What is the name of this body? Panchabhuta Udal. Therefore, Maya, when it is in Abhava, unmanifest form, it is Shakti. When it manifests Bhava Rupam and Abhava Rupam. This body is Bhava Rupam or Abhava Rupam now. Koncha killi paata theriyum. Abadi amma Bhava Rupam anna. It is permanently Bhava Rupam. No. It disappears. Ticket vaangiyachi. Okay, we have come with the ticket, return ticket. Thank God, and the return ticket is not with us. So, and the abhava rupam vikara, it is going to become abhava. The jnani is one who is firmly established in this knowledge. Sthula deha, sukshma deha, and sthula padarthaha, sarvam. Not only this body, mind, every object. It has got existence for some time. It appears, after some time it disappears. Tell me which object in the world permanently appearing? Any object? Any body? Anybody? That means what? Every object, every person, including your body, has got bhava, abhava. What is this bhava, abhava, presence and destruction, appearance and disappearance? Nothing but Maya vikaram. Just modification of Maya. Only modification. This knowledge, whoever has got, he is known as Nishchayi. Now you are all called Nishchayi. If you have this knowledge, you are called Nishchayi. Nishchayaha asya asti iti Nishchayi. Bahurihi samasa. The one who has got confirmed knowledge, doubt-free knowledge, I cannot be this Maya Karya Shariram. I am the user of this body mind complex. I am Satchit Ananda. Jada Shariram can function by itself. That means what? Now I have to understand. I am Sat Brahman, Chit Brahma, enlivening that I am sentient Brahman, Chaitanyam, enlivening the insentient body. Making the body to walk, making the body to laugh, making the body to talk, making the body everything. Which body? Insentient body. Swamini, how can it be insentient? Pain is there. That sentiency is not belong to the body. Matter is inert. It is not the intrinsic nature of the body. The inert matter body borrows sentiency from me, the consciousness. If you have this knowledge, you are a Nishchayi. தரோவாக இருக்கணும். அப்பப்போ டவுட் வந்தால் வரலாம். ஆனாலும் ஒன் டே யூ ஹாவ் டு பிகம் எ நிச்சயி. This body, insentient body, feeling sentiency by borrowing sentiency from me, the Brahman. I am originally the consciousness principle. I am lending sentiency to the Jada Shariram, which is Maya Karyam. அவங்கள இருக்க அந்த ஒரு லைனில் விகாரஹ மீன்ஸ் ப்ராடக்ட், காரியம், பாவ அபாவ. எவ்ரி விகார ப்ராடக்ட் கம்ஸ் அண்ட் டிஸப்பியர்ஸ். இது புரியணும். எல்லா ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு நான் தான் சத்தா ஸ்பூர்த்தி பிரதாதா, அப்படி தெரியணும். நான் இல்லைன்னு உலகமே இல்லை. நிச்சயி. ஹவு ஹி ரிமைன்ஸ் நிர்விகாரஹ. அகம் நிர்விகாரஹ. ஐ ஆம் சேஞ்ச்லெஸ். மேட்டர் சேஞ்ச். பாடி சேஞ்சிங் ஆர் நாட்? The one who sees that vasamsi jeernani yatha vihaya navani grinhati naroparani tadha sharirani jeernani sharirani vihaya anyani sanyati. I the Atma am changeless. The one who sees the change, 10th year, 20th year, 45th year, 50th year, 70th year, is the same or not? Same or not? That is why you show your picture, 10-year-old picture. நான் பார்த்தியா எப்படி இருக்கேன்? நீ இப்போ பூசணிக்காய் மாதிரி இருக்க, அப்போ முருங்கைக்காய் மாதிரி இருக்கேன். ஆனாலும் நானே தான். That means the knower of that 10-year-old photo, now this person who is the knower is same, not changing. Body is changing. Therefore, vikaraha or nirvikaraha? Nirvikaraha. The knower is nirvikaraha, body is changing, nirvikaraha. Gata kleshaha. Kleshaha means pain, sorrow, problem. Gataha, from whom the problems have gone. He has not gone from problems, out of problem. He has not gone Rishikesh or Haridwar. That's the artham. This person has not gone to any ashrama by giving or 5 lakhs போட்டுட்டு நான் எனக்கு இந்த குடும்பமே வேண்டாம், ஃபேமிலி வேண்டாம், இந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் I drop all this and going to our ashram. No. Ashtavakra says Gata kleshaha, from whom the kleshas have gone. Pancha kleshas. Avidya, pancha kleshas. Asmita, raga, dvesha, all have gone from him. He has not run away from the world. Priya no? Therefore you need not go anywhere. Any ashram. Ee shramam vittita ashramam pudikkum. வேண்டவே வேண்டாம், தேவையே இல்லை. Wherever you are, in which color dress you are, happily you are, now you can say aham brahmasmi. That is called moksha. That is called moksha. Now here itself I am nirvikaraha. Gata kleshaha, from me all problems have gone. Pole gnani also confront problems. அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்? gata kleshahana, he falsified all the problems which belong to the body mind alone. They are not belong to me, the Atma. That is called gata kleshaha. அப்போ என்ன, ஞானிக்கு பல்லு வலி இருக்காதா, தலைவலி இருக்காதா? கண்டிப்பாக இருக்கும். பட் தட் ஞானி knows this, the தலைவலி பல்லு வலி belong to தலை. Pallu vali belong to pallu. I am not pallu, I am not thalai. I am, all heads are in me. I am not in any head. Masthani sarvabhutani nacha masthani. What a beautiful teaching. Gata kleshaha. Therefore, what is the benefit? Sukhena upashamyati. Sukhena anandama remains. Upashamyati. He relax. He relax or she relax. Knowing the Maya is Jadam, I am Chetanam. Chetanam is not afflicted by the Maya Shariram. It cannot touch that knowledge. Wonderful knowledge. Nischayi. Therefore, may you become Nischayi. Next shloka. Now the next question comes. If this is so, then why some people are suffering, some people are happy? How this is happening? For that, next shloka he gives, who is that making this body to suffer? How this body is coming into existence? Why one has to suffer in this body? Then Ashtavakra says, this everything is nothing but Chaitanyam reflecting in Maya, Chaitanyam reflecting in the body. In the analysis, very important, over. Now I am entering in another analysis, very, very important. We'll read the shloka, number 2. Ishvara sarva nirmata nehanya iti nischayim antargalita sarvashaham Shantah kvapi na sajjate. What is this universe? In this universe there are so many bodies, sentient bodies are moving, and some bodies are enjoying, they are having all pleasures. Some bodies are suffering with all chronic diseases, with full of pains. What is this magic happening? For that Shastra says, you have understood that Brahma Chaitanya? Brahma Chaitanyam, consciousness, existent principle, that Brahman is reflecting in the total Maya is called Ishvara. That Brahman reflecting in the individual body is called Jiva. The Chaitanyam, like sun, Lord Sun is there. Sun is reflecting in the ocean. Sun is reflecting in your bucket of water. Sun is reflecting in the ocean. Sun is reflecting in your bucket of water, any container. There are hundreds of containers, suppose. And in each container, sun is reflecting. That sun is reflection is small or big? Small, based on that container. That smallness or bigness reflected sun can disturb the original sun? No. In ocean, that sun reflection is very huge. Okay. Pratibhimbam, Surya Pratibhimbam. One Surya Pratibhimbam in the total water, it is one Pratibhimbam. When that water is in different containers, sun is one or 100 or thousands. As many containers, so many sun Pratibhimbam, Surya Pratibhimbam. But sun is one. Whether he is reflecting in total water, ocean, or he is reflecting hundreds of containers, water. Sun is one. Can these reflections of that ocean, Surya Pratibimbam, or these pots, water Pratibimbam, buckets, okay. In all of our house, buckets are there, water is there, sun is reflecting. Either these small reflections of that sun or big reflection of the sun, can they have any business with the original sun? Can they have any business and any interaction? Can they touch that original sun? Can they afflict original sun? Can they have any connection? No connection. Similarly, and the Suryan Madri in the Atma Chaitanyam. Total universe is like a ocean. Total universe. Nama Rupas. Total. Brahmanda. Each body is like a bucket. Each body is like a bucket. Okay? Now the Brahma Chaitanyam reflecting in the total is called Anga ocean chonna inga Maya cholana. In Maya it is reflecting. Ocean place la Maya you have to take. Maya means what? Total Karana Prapancha. Total. Samasta Prapancha. Samashti. When you take that same Brahman, when it's reflecting in individual body, it is reflecting in individual body, bucket-like body. No? Individual body is called Jivaha. If he reflects in Maya, he is known as Paramatma Ishvaraha. Maya Sahitam Brahma Ishvaraha. Antakarana Upadhi Sahitam Brahma is Jivaha. One Brahman, one Surya reflecting in the ocean, one Surya only reflecting in the bucket of water. These reflections cannot afflict. Similarly, this Pratibimba Chaitanyam in the Maya, Pratibimba Chaitanyam in this individual Antakaranam cannot afflict the original Brahma Chaitanya. Like magnet. In your example, magnet, in the presence of magnet, all iron pieces start moving. Magnet moves. Magnet and the presence itself, all these iron pieces moves. Magnet is steady. It is not doing any action. Let me attract this iron piece. Let me do this. But in its presence it happens like that. Puriyarado. Maya Upadhi Chaitanyam Ishvaraha. Antakarana Upadhi Chaitanyam or Avidya Upahita Chaitanyam Jivaha. Since in the total that Chaitanyam is reflecting, it is called Sarvajnaha, Sarvashaktiman. He has controller of everything. Ishvaraha na. Ish means to control. Ishtu means control. The Chaitanyam, see, Maya is Jadam by itself, inert. This pot, clay cannot become pot by itself. Clay cannot become pot by itself. How clay becomes pot? By pot maker. So, clay is upadana karanam, material cause. Material by itself cannot become into a form or shape. Material doesn't have intelligence to become a pot. Clay thinks today night, let me become tomorrow pongal, all people are going to come and buy the pot to make pongal. Therefore, let me become pot. Have you seen anywhere the clay becoming pot by itself? Why? It is jadam, inert. Inert matter can never become a object or name and form by itself. So to make that inert matter clay, intelligent principle is required. What is that intelligent principle? Pot maker. Kulalaha. That intelligent maker comes, makes the pot. Nimitta karanam. அவர் இல்லைன்னா இந்த பாட் வராது. இப்போ இந்த கையில் பாட் இருக்குன்னா என்ன, ரெண்டு காரணங்கள் இருக்கு. Two causes are there. Tell me what are those two causes? First one is what? Upadana karanam, clay. Upadana is material. Why it is called upadana? Upadiyate. Pot maker goes and gets the clay. Upadiyate is called upadana. Nimitta karanam means because of whom this pot has come. Nimittam, cause, intelligence. Without intelligence it cannot come. Now, if you see the pot, you have to understand two causes. Rendu karanangal. Enna karanam adi? One is upadana karanam, rendu nimitta karanam. Puriyardo? Puriyardilliyo? When the pot vishayam comes, clay is separate, pot maker is different. Okay, thank God, when you buy pot, you are not buying pot maker. In the case of pot and pot maker, both are different. Material cause is different, intelligent cause is different. But in the case of world, material cause and intelligent cause are not different. Yathornanabhisrujate grindhate cha. Like that Brahma Chaitanyam alone is the intelligent cause. Brahma Chaitanyam alone is the material cause. Maya is the material cause here. Does Maya exist separately like clay outside of the pot maker? Maya is within Brahman, because Brahman is all pervading. Clay is not all pervading. Puriyarda? That's why pot maker has to go out all the way and get clay. Brahma Chaitanyam need not go for Maya. Maya ottindirka Brahmanukku. Maya doesn't exist separately without Brahman. Why? Brahman is sarvagataha, all pervading. When it is all pervading, can Maya exist without Brahman? No. Therefore, Maya is the power of Brahman. Once Maya is utilized and its presence, Brahma Chaitanyam by its presence, like Kulalaha manufacture the pot, similarly Brahma Chaitanyam in its presence, Maya functions. Maya functions in the presence of Brahman. Shiva Shaktya Yukto Yadi Bhavati Prabhavitum. Shakti dance in the presence of consciousness Brahman. That is called Shiva Tandavam. Shiva Tandavam shows what? Nothing but that function of Maya. Okay, now look into the shloka. Ishvaraha Sarva Nirmata. Now you understand who is Ishvara? Maya Sahitam Brahma. Kulalaha Ghata Nirmata. Kulalaha Natu Vastra Nirmata. Natu Desk Nirmata. Natu Griha Nirmata. Pot maker is not the creator of house. Goldsmith is not the creator of pot. Weaver is not the creator of desk. Carpenter is not the creator of pot. What about Ishvara? Sarva Nirmata. Why? That's why Ishvara. He is also like a pot maker, goldsmith. Avarku edukku namaskaram pannanum nammo? Sarva Nirmata means the creator of all. Creator of all. Na iha anyaha iti nischayi. May that nischayi, the person whoever is having this knowledge, Ishvaraha anyaha na sarva nirmata, Ishvaraha eva nirmata. Who is Ishvara? Maya sahitam Brahma. Brahma Chaitanyam alone is the sarva nirmata through that Maya, inert Maya. Brahma Chaitanyam makes the Maya to become many. Jadam, inert matter, manifest in different matters, and Atma tadeva nupravishat tadanupravishya. Since Atma is all-pervading Brahma Chaitanyam, once the Maya start functioning, ஒரு உடம்பு வரும்போது அதுக்குள்ள ஆத்மா இருக்குமா இருக்காதா? உள்ள போய் என்டர் பண்ணணுமா? Pot maker, when he creates the pot, கொஞ்சம் ஆகாசம் கொண்டு வந்து இடவெளி உள்ள வச்சுட்டானே. As he manufacturing the pot, space, upalabdhi, already available. புரியுறதா? எவ்வளோ இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் பாயிண்ட் தெரியுமோ? As the pot maker creates the pot, he is not putting akasha inside. What you are using, pot you are using, or akasha you are using? The space in the pot you are using, or pot you are using? Space in the pot. Clear? Body is like a pot. Just as the space need not enter the pot, Atma, Brahma Chaitanyam need not enter the body. In Brahma Chaitanyam, pots like bodies, matter has come into existence, they disappear. I am that Brahma Chaitanyam in me, all pots like bodies are coming and going. What am I doing now? Instead of knowing this Nischayi, in the Gnanam Varavenda, Yanaki Epudi Ipo. நான் பாட்டு சின்ன பாட்டு பெரிய பாட்டு நினைச்சு அழுதுன்னு இருக்கேனே. which pot has got umpteen defects? வியாதி, ஜர, மரண, துக்க பூயிஷ்டமான ஒரு உடல் இது. மாம்சம், ரத்தம் எல்லாமே ஃப்ளஷ் இருக்கிற இந்த மேட்டர் போய் நான் எப்படி ஆக முடியும்? பாவ அபாவ ரூபம் இது, விகாரம், ஷட்விகாரம் அஸ்தி அத்ர. Asti jayate vardhate vipranamate apakshiyate vinashyate. Womb to tomb going. How can I be this body? In me the Atma, this body is coming and going ani sollanu. Ippudu solla vendiya nanu enna pannirken ipo? If I say I am Atma in me, mayeva sakalam jatam, my sarvam pratishtitam sonna, you are a nischayi. Otherwise you are dukhi. இப்போ துக்கத்துக்கு காரணம் என்ன புரியுறதா? This is called mistaking my nature. Where is Atma? Tell me. I am Atma. எப்படி ஆத்மா தேட முடியும்? Where is Akasha? You are in Akasha now. Where is Akasha? கேட்குறேன். நான் இருக்கிறது எங்கேன்னு ஆகாசத்தில் தான். அதே மாதிரி where is Atma? The one who is asking is Atma. Don't miss yourself. If you miss yourself, it is like suicide. That is why they call it as Atma Hatya. Killing oneself. This is called killing oneself. How can one do this? That is the greatness of Maya. Everyone is succumbed to Maya. To come out of that Maya, Shastra Shravanameva. That is called Jnanashtakam. Jnanashtakam na rendavathu shlokam idu. Okay. Ishvaraha sarva nirmata na iha anyaha iti. That Ishvaraha means Maya Sahitam Brahma, in which all these bodies are coming and going. Ishvaraha Nirmata. Yena Maya cannot become many by itself. Why? Maya is inert, Jadam. That is why in Ramana Maharshi's Upadesa Saram, Karturajnaya prapyate phalam karma kim param karma tajjadam. Karturajna na Ishvara Ajna. Therefore, we the Jiva, same Atma reflecting in the body, is Alpajnaha. This Alpajnaha, this body, Jiva, has to recognize I am Paramatma. Until that time, even in Punya, Papa, Prarabdha will attack this person. Until this Jiva recognize I am Paramatma. Therefore, he says, Antargalita Sarvashaha. Once you are a Nischayi, I am that Atma Swarupam, reflecting in the Maya Upadhi and reflecting in the Jiva Upadhi. I am not different. If you know, you are a Nischayi. Nischayana, determined, with determination, doubt-free knowledge. Antargalita Sarvashaha. All ashas antargalitam. All dissolve. All desires gone from within. Antargalitam. All the desires which are inside. Who is the desirer? What he has to desire? Whatever I want to desire is Maya. That Maya Padartham, matter. In my presence they are functioning. What I have to desire? Kimichan kasya kamaya sariram anusanjvaret. Desiring what one has to plan or worry. ஆசை எப்படி வரும்? ஆசை அருமிங்கள், ஆசை அருமிங்கள், ஈசனோடாயினும் ஆசை அருமிங்கள். ஆஷா பாசம். துக்கத்துக்கு காரணம் ஆஷா பாசம். ஆசை ஏன் வருது? நிச்சயம் வரல. ஏன் நிச்சயம் வரல? அஷ்டாவக்ர கீதை படிக்கல. ஏன் படிக்கலன்னு ஆஷா. Therefore, antargalita sarvashaha. All the internal ashas have shantaha. They have dissolved, submerged. Kvapina sajjate. Anything, whatever, kwapi, nothing can touch the Atma Chaitanyam, me, the original consciousness. இப்போ எப்போ நான் மீன்னு சொன்ன உடனே நம்ம என்ன நினைக்கிறோம்? அகங்கார, மமக்கார, பாடி. சாஸ்திரா சேர் விடு, அது விட்டுக்காதே. அவள் ரொம்ப திக்காக இருக்கு, அது விடமாட்டேங்கிறது. கொப்பரை மாதிரி ஆகணும். அந்த கூவம் வாட்டரில் sun is reflecting. Can the dirt will touch the sun? Suppose you mix the color in the bucket of water and sun is reflecting. That color which reflecting in that sun, is it affecting that sun, original sun? That original sun is real or reflected sun is real? Example, original sun is distant from the reflected sun. அது மாதிரி ஆத்மா எங்கேயோ இருக்கு, இங்க ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகின்னு இருக்க நினைக்கக்கூடாது. இந்த பக்கெட் ஆஃப் பாடியில் ஆத்மா சூரியன் ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகிறான்னா அங்கெங்கோ இல்லைப்பா. சூரியன் அங்கே இருக்கு, இங்கே இல்லை. சூர்யா இஸ் ஃபைனைட், ஆத்மா இஸ் நாட் ஃபைனைட். ஆத்மா இஸ் இன்ஃபினிட், ஆல் பர்வேடிங். தேர்ஃபார் ஆள் பர்வேடிங். ஆள் பர்வேடிங் ஆனதுனால, ஆனாலும் ரெண்டுமே ஒன்றுக்கு ஒன்றா இருந்தாலும் கூட இட் கேனாட் டச். It cannot afflict. Your shadow and your body, how far? Both of them. Your body shadow and your body, how much distance? Can shadow afflict your body? Wave and ocean, water, how far? Can wave go and afflict the water, ocean? Wave is water. Maya Sharira Vikaram, Sthula Shariram cannot afflict the Brahma Chaitanyam, because of which Brahma Chaitanyam Maya is functioning. இது பிச்சைக்காரன் மாதிரி புரியுறதா? It cannot survive without Brahman. It cannot function without Brahman. Therefore, I, the Brahman, making this body, Maya, Shariram, to function. இப்போ நான் ராஜாவா பிச்சைக்காரனா? ஞானம் நிச்சயம் வந்தா you are ராஜா. Sarvabhaumaha, you are the emperor of what? Entire Namarupa Prapancha is my kingdom. Entire Namarupa Prapanchathikku naan Sarva Sarvabhauma Chakravarti naan. Puriyarada? Maya is under my control. I am not under the control of Maya. Ajnani? Under the control of Maya. Whoever is under the control of Maya, he has to suffer or she has to suffer. அதுதான் துக்கத்துக்கு காரணம். புரியுறதா? என்ன புரியுறது? அந்தர்கலித சர்வ ஆஷா பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் நிச்சயா. அந்த நிச்சயம் யாருக்கு வருமோ நிச்சயி, ஃபார் ஹிம் ஆல் ஆஷாஸ் டுவர்ட்ஸ் எனி அனாத்ம வஸ்து கேன் நாட் ரிமைன். ஈவன் ஆசை இருந்தாலும் கூட இட் இஸ் எ விபூதி, இட் இஸ் எ லீலா. ஞானிக்கு நல்ல பிக்ஷை வந்தால் சாப்பிட மாட்டானா? ஐட்டமுக்கு ஐட்டம் தனித்தனியாக பிரித்து பிரித்து சாப்பிடுவோம் மாதிரி. தட் ஆஷா இஸ் நாட் எ பைண்டிங் ஆஷா. இட் இஸ் எ லக்ஸுரி. இட் இஸ் நாட் எ நீட் ஃபார் ஹிம். So, Anatma, Nama, Rupa, Prapancha, variety, beauty is my beauty. Therefore, I can enjoy. This is called Leela. Krishna Leela, Shiva Leela, and சொன்னது இதுதான். பகவானுக்கு எல்லாமே லீலா. It is a sport. For Jnani also, nothing is there to reject, nothing is there to take. There is no attachment, there is no aversion. Because everything is mine. Everything is appearing in me. How can I look at it as different for me? Dvitiyadvai bhayam bhavati. If I see second thing really other than me, the Atma, then problem. There is no second real thing other than me. Even anything appears that is my like a shadow. Maya is like my shadow. But this body is like my shadow. 80 kgs body. It is like a shadow. It can touch me, the Chaitanyam Brahma, consciousness? Never. Impossible. Even Bhagavan also cannot make that Anatma to touch the Atma. Yenna Anatma, Atma விட்டுட்டு தனியா இருக்க முடியாது. அனாத்மால என்ன இருக்க? ஆத்மா இருக்கா இல்லையா? அதுதான் விஷயம். அந்தர்கலித சர்வாசः சாந்தः क्वापि न सज्जते, not afflicted by, not touched by, not tainted by anything. क्वापि क्वापि என்ன? வியாதி, ஜரா, மரண, ராக, துவேஷ, காம, क्रोध, they are all belong to anatma shariram. That is why Chaitanyam, when it is Aidi Brahma Chaitanyam, this is when I look at the part, this is Prameyam, object, Vishaya Chaitanyam. When it comes as a Vritti, Antakarana Chaitanyam, Vritti Chaitanyam is Pramana Chaitanyam. When the Atma, I the knower operating the Pramanam to know the Prameyam, I am the Pramata, Antakarana Chaitanyam. Moodu Chaitanyam. Vare Chaitanyam, Mooda Maritse. Vishaya Chaitanyam, Antakarana Vritti Chaitanyam, అంతఃకరణ చైతన్యం. అంతఃకరణ చైతన్యం ప్రమాత, అంతఃకరణ వృత్తి చైతన్యం ప్రమాణం. త్రూ వాట్ థాట్ యు ఆర్ నోయింగ్ ద పాట్, అండ్ ద థాట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఏ ప్రమాణం. ఇట్ ఇస్ ఏ కరణం ఫర్ యూ. అంతఃకరణ వృత్తి, థాట్ అరైజింగ్ ఇన్ ద మైండ్, అంతఃకరణ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ప్రమాణం, ప్రమాణ చైతన్యం. అంతఃకరణ వృత్తి చైతన్యం ఈజ్ ప్రమాణం, అంతఃకరణ చైతన్యం ఈజ్ ప్రమాత, விஷய చైతన్యం ఈజ్ ప్రమేయం. இங்கே சைத்தன்யம் இருக்கா இல்லையா? எங்கே இருக்கு சுவாமி? சைத்தன்யம் இஸ் ஆல் பர்வேடிங் in the form of easiness. And I know the pot, I know the pot when you say, and the consciousness pervades the pot and occupies. It pervades the pot and you get the knowledge of what? How you got the pot knowledge? Tell me now. Next week you tell me. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.